In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Google Drive folder on PC. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Google Drive on your PC. You can open the Google Drive app if you have one, or open Google Drive on your Google Chrome browser. Now on your Google Drive, go ahead and select a folder that you want to download to your PC. Now you can click on the download button in here, or just click on the three dots beside the folder and you'll be able to find the download option. So click on the download option to be able to download that folder to your PC. That Google Drive folder would be downloaded to your PC as a zip file. Once it's already done downloading, you can just go ahead and open the zip file from your local file manager to be able to extract the files inside the zip file. Click on Untitled Folder. Inside this, you'll be able to find your files. So click on this files before you head over and click on Extract. Now in here you can select the destination of your extracted files. So click on OK to be able to extract these files to your file manager. Now once you head back to your file manager, you'll be able to find the extracted files under the download section. And that's how you can simply download a Google Drive folder on PC. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.